So good day man, and now let's talk about the midterm coverage for this examination. So first, let me discuss the recognition of handwriting characteristic. So first, the form. It is the factor of should be the first considered as a recognition of handwriting characteristic. So meaning to say, it is the shape or the design of an individual's the way to write a letter. Next, the system. System refers to the particular style or system writing. It's either vertical or angular style or angular system. And next, muscular habits or coordination, which is a movement of your hand the way to write. There are two types, which is extensor, meaning to say upward strokes from thumb, and the next flexor, downward strokes, index and middle. And also the movement to attain proper writing movements in the muscles for arm hand must be trained by appropriate movement exercise. And the next, the finger movement, which is consists of an action, the thumb, index and the middle finger. And the next, the hand movement, and the writing done through the action of three finger, the thumb, index and the middle finger. And the third, the forearm movement. It's a muscular movement of a writing which is produced by a movement of both hand and arm. And the last, forearm movement. This movement involves the action of an entire without a risk of employed in very large writing. And also the writing instrument, which is the pen position. So the pen position, it is a capability of a writer the way to write documents, the position of the hand, and it affect the appearance of documents. And also the slant, the way you write, it's either slant or another term slanting. And also the angle to serve as a junctions between straight line, curves and writing strokes. There are three kinds of angles, which is right angles, acute angles and obtuse angle. So in right angle, it is a 90 degree, which is meaning to say straight line, and acute angle, which is between two straight line, meaning so as for a form sharp corner or any angle less than right angle. Shading, so it's applying to the question documents, the way you write. It is a big factors, the way you shading. Like for example, your pen is did not capability of ink to support, so it's a big factors. And another